Hello everybody, James Devil here. I'm taking apart my Samsung phone today because I got a new Digitizer for my phone because my old one broke. Digitizer is essentially the screen and the it's attached to a new piece of glass because here is my old Samsung glass, which was removed from the phone because unfortunately it broke. And you can see that in here. Nice piece of work it is. Yeah, it is. Yeah. So here we go. We're doing this today. I've already set down a piece of tape. Just any piece of tape is good. I've double-sided it and stuck it down to the table, so I'm not going to lose any of the screws. And we're going to do this piece by piece. We're going to match. It's because this is a new Digitizer here. With as you can see, there's nothing on it whatsoever. There's nothing at all. Everything goes essentially right here at the top. So let's get on with this and get going so we can move on. So each screw, essentially, you do not want to lose. They're very, very tiny. Take them out one by one. And it's also good to keep them apart from everything else. Well, this may take a few minutes, unfortunately. There's 9 screws to take apart. And it does get a little more complicated. It's always good to have a magnetic screwdriver because you don't want to screw anything up here. Lose one of these screws. And we're at the last one. We'll see you in the next step.